How to replace a belt on a Scotts S1742 Lawn Mower. Scotts S1642, S1742 and S2046 are all submodels built under the Scotts brand name by John Deere. Essentially, these models are John Deere tractors and mowers without the trademark John Deere logo or green and yellow paint scheme. Just as standard John Deere lawn mowers utilize a suspended deck and drive belt system, Scotts mowers have the same equipment. When the drive belt stretches beyond the point where the mower deck can compensate, you must replace the belt with a new one or risk having the belt break, which would leave the mower deck disabled. Things you'll need: 2x4s. Drive your Scotts S1742 mower onto level, stable ground and set the parking brake. Disengage the PTO, or blade, lever to stop the blades from rotating. Disengaging the PTO lever also creates additional slack in the drive belt. Raise the adjustment lever for the mower deck to position the deck as high off the ground as possible. Slide 2x4s under the front and back of the deck or under the left and right side of the deck. Lower the deck onto the blocks to take tension off the suspension rods. Remove the cotter pins from the suspension rods. Pull the washers and the suspension rods off the rod pins. Lower the suspension rods into a horizontal position. Locate the drive pulley mounted under the Scotts mower and pull the drive belt off the pulley. Remove the deck from the 2x4s and slide the deck out. Remove the belt from the Scotts mower deck. If needed, make a note of how the belts route before you take the belt off. Place the new belt on the deck. Slide the deck under the Scotts tractor, then place the deck back on the 2x4s. Place the belt over the pulley mounted under the engine. Line the suspension rods up with the rod pins. Slide the washers over the pins, then secure them with the cotter pins. Remove the 2x4s from under the deck. Lower the deck to its normal cutting height.